Hello everyone and welcome to a new YouTube video. Today's video is a bit different. I just felt like I had to do this and I will also tell you why. We are going to talk about mindset. Before anything, you must have the right entrepreneurial mindset, but not only, it's also about your mental condition. Are you mentally fragile or mentally strong? And how it can affect your business, or even worse, how mindset can even stop you from starting a business. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe and turn on the notifications. You probably have heard the saying, the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer. Why is that so? Well, it's because how they think. The human mind is the most powerful supercomputer on Earth. If you program it correctly, it can help you in ways that you can't even imagine. But at the same time, it will hinder you if you have the wrong mindset. First of all, you have to take responsibility for anything that you are doing in your life, either if you are starting a new business or if you already have one. You are responsible for it and you are the only one that can make it or break it. And how is that? Let me give you an example. Let's say that your whole life you have been working as a baker. How can you turn into a successful entrepreneur? Well, you won't do that overnight, but if you want to, you can do something bigger in your life. It starts with personal development. You have to be honest with yourself and how it feels about letting go your whole life job. So are you ready to improve yourself and do something greater? Don't be weak or afraid and let that healthy ego stand out a little bit. Start learning and every day you will be one step closer to achieve your goals. If at some point you feel overwhelmed or disappointed, fix that and have perspective. Understand why certain things happen and why certain results exist. You may know that consistency is the key, but how do you achieve that? Create specific and realistic goals and then create a schedule for yourself. Educate yourself on how to work better and stop finding excuses. Focus on your actions and don't let anyone make you believe that it's not possible, that it's too hard even for yourself, that it will never work and so on. Stay away from those and keep a positive perspective. If you get stuck and don't know what to do else, please don't be a baby in your business. Ask for help, get a mentor, but not because he will be able to make your business shine. You need him because you must learn from the experience of other people. Just think about it. How helpful would it be to know how others solve a specific problem or what's others' opinion about a decision that you are about to make? But hey, these others that I'm telling you about are not just some random people out there. They already have experienced what you are experiencing right now. So those are the ones that can be called mentors. This is how you will achieve a strong mindset. Now, at the beginning, I have told you that your mindset can stop you from starting a business, or that if you are mentally fragile, it can really affect your business. If you stop the first time that someone tells you, "Don't do that, it's not for you, I wouldn't do that," or "Why investing $1,000 in a business that you don't know how it will go instead of buying that nice phone that you ever wanted? How could you lose so much money? Why are your profits so low after so much time?" This can be your neighbor, your friend, your mom, your wife, your husband, anyone. But you have to keep pushing and see what you did wrong and how to improve it. You have to keep learning and take action as soon as you feel confident enough. Well, not 100% confident, because that is quite impossible. But when you have at least 3/4 of your checklist marked, then it's time. The last thing that I want to tell you today, because I won't keep it longer, you run your business. Your business doesn't run you. I heard this thing some time ago and just came now into my mind. So, if there's anything that seems to be going wrong, please watch this video again and again and understand what you have to do. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching. I would appreciate a thumbs up and don't forget that the subscribe button is there waiting for you to click on it, as well as the notifications bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye.